Okay, children. So from 10th sum, open the link in the description, children. 10th sum. If an angle is 30 more than one half of its complement. Complement means what, children? One is x, other one is 90 minus x. Okay, tell them. If an angle is
90 minus x is
okay, 90 minus x is equal to
30 plus half into x.
30 more than 30 more means plus, children. 30 more than
Half x. X by
half
2.
of x, half of x, other angle. 30 more than half of other angle, children. Try to understand, children. 30 more than half of the other angle.
9,
Okay, this here
90 minus 30 is equal to x by 2 plus x.
x by 2 plus x. So 60 is equal to
60 is equal to 3x by 2.
okay, this comes here, children. After taking LCM, you can
120 is equal to 3x.
x is equal to
X is equal to 40.
if x is equal to 40, other angle will be 50.
50, sir.
So now what you can write, children? What you can write? 40 is
40 is
30 more than
30 more than half of its half of 50.
no,
Sorry,
no.
50 is 30 more than half of 40.
50 is 30
30 more than
degrees
half of 40.
more than 40. Okay, children. 50 degrees is 30 more than half of 40 is 20. No, children. 20 plus 30 is 50. Try to understand, children. If you understand, it will be easy, children. Okay, 11th sub, children. Two supplementary angles are in the ratio of 4 is to 3. Anyone wants to say, children? Two supplementary angles are in the ratio of 4 is to 3. Anyone wants to say, children?
Sir, can I say?
Sir, can
4x.
I say
Yeah. 4x plus
4x plus 5x, sorry,
3x
3x equal to 180 degrees.
Is it 3 or 5? Amma? Is
7x.
it 3 or 5? What did I get? 3 only. Okay. So children,
Yes,
change it into 5.
7x.
Change into 5, children. Change into 5. 4x plus 5x is equal to 180.
9x equal to 180 degrees.
Okay. X is equal to
180 degrees by 9 equal to 20 degrees. 4x equal to 20 into 4, 80 degrees.
okay.
5x equal to 5 into 20, 100 degrees.
80 and 100 degrees are in 4 is to 5 ratio. Okay. Next question, all of you see, children.
So
Next
two
question.
angles are
Enough.
40
Okay, now. Okay, now. Two supplementary angles differ by 48 degrees. Children. Two supplementary angles differ by 48 degrees. Two supplementary angles differ by 48 degrees. Anyone wants to say, children? Two of them differ by 48
So can I
degrees.
say?
Anyone else, Nana? Sarayu, tell this sum. Sarayu. Two supplementary angles differ by 48 degrees.
180 minus x is equals to
180 minus x. Two supplementary
minus
differ
x.
is equal to 48.
Is equals to
See, these both are differing by 48 degrees. Now, tell 180 minus x is
180
how much?
minus 2x
Is equal to?
is equals to 48.
Okay,
48.
bring this here, there.
180 plus 48 is equals to 2x.
Okay. 132 is equal to 2x. Say
2x. X is equals to 132 by 2. X is equals to 66.
so what is the other angle? 180 minus 66 is how much? 114.
114.
So 114 and 66 differ by 48 degrees.
48.
You have right statement also, children. If you write statement only, then I will understand that you understood the sum, children. Okay. Tanmay, say 13th question, Amma. Tanmay, say 13th question.
So for this question, we need to keep x minus whole bracket 180 minus x, no, sir?
Anything you can do, I said, no? Anything. This minus this or this minus this. This minus this or this minus this. Your wish, no problem with that. If you keep like this, then you have to put like this, brackets here. Your wish. First only I said, anything you can do. Tanmay, say 13th question. An angle is equal to 5 times of its complement.
Sir.
An angle is 5 times of its complement. An angle is, Lahari, say an angle is 5 times of its complement.
5x.
90 minus x is equal to 5x. Okay, x comes here. Say. Keep saying, Amma.
6x.
What is
6x
6x?
equals 90.
90 is equal to 6x. Okay, x is equal to
3 by
x is equal to 6 1 just 6 5. Huh? If one angle is 15 degrees, what is the other angle, children? What is the other angle? 75 degrees, children. So you have to say 75 degrees is 5 times of 15 degrees. 75 degrees is 5 times of 15 degrees. You have to say like that. Okay, children? That is your 13th sum. Okay. Next, Kruti, say 14th sum. Kruti, say 14th sum. They are complementary, it seems. One angle is 2x minus 10, other is x minus 5. They are complementary, it seems. Kruti. Sum of their angles
2x minus 10.
plus. Same, 2x minus 10 plus x minus 5 are 90 because complementary, no? 2x plus x is how much? 3x. Minus 10 minus 5 is how much? Minus 10 minus 5 is how much? Minus 15. Okay, children, so 3x is equal to 105 degrees, x is equal to 105 by 3, x is equal to 35 degrees is 1, children. So you have to find out 2x minus 10 is how much, x minus 5 is how much. Both angles you should find. This is 2 into 35 minus 10, and this is 35 minus 5, children. 70 minus 10 is 60 degrees, 35 and 30 degrees, children. So 60 and 30 degrees are both angles which they gave. They gave in this form, children, that both angles are 60 and 30 degrees. They gave in that form, children. So that just to confuse you, that's all. Okay. Hansika says 15th sum. Angles differ from its complement by, if an angle differ from its complement by 10 degrees. Hansika,
Sir.
angle differs
Uh,
from its complement by 10 degrees. One is x, other is
X.
90
Other
minus
is 90 minus x.
They both differ by 10 degrees.
One is
They both differ by 10 degrees.
90 minus x is equals to
90 minus x minus x.
x minus x is equals to 10.
Okay. Minus x minus 2x is 10.
Minus 2x is equals to 10.
This here, this
90
here.
plus 10. 10 plus 90 is equals to minus 2x. Okay.
80 is equal to 2x.
80 is equals to 2x.
Is equal
80
to
by 2 is equals to x.
40.
X is equals to 40.
If one angle is 40, other angle is 50.
Other angle is
So
50
50 and 40 differ by
10.
10 degrees. 10 degrees. 50 and 40 differ by 10 degrees. Okay. Next one. Srihita, 16th sum. Supplement is 1/3 of itself. Srihita, supplement is 1/3 of itself. Kashyap.
Sir,
Yeah.
80 minus x minus 180 minus x minus x is
No. Supplement is 1/3 of itself. 1/3. 1/3 of x. Supplement is 1/3 of x. Supplement is 1/3 of itself. Take this here and tell me the sum. So 180 is equal to 3 into x plus 3x. 180 is equal to 4x by 3. This 3 will come out. 180 into 3 is equal to 4x. 4 will come out, children. So x is equal to 180 into 3 by 4, children. So what happens? 180 by 4 is 45. 45 3 is a 135. So 135 and other one is 45, children. So 135 and 45. So 45 is 1/3 of 135. What do you write? 45 is 1/3 of 135 degrees. You should write like that, children. Okay. Next one, children. Neeraj, 17th sum. An angle is 14 more than its complement. Neeraj, 17th sum. Kashyap 77. An angle is 14 more than its complement. An angle is 14 more than its complement
90 minus x
is equal to
is equal to 14.
14 plus
X, x.
x. An angle is 14 more than its complement. Very good. Check on. Yeah. This here, this go there. Okay. 90 minus 14
Yes.
is equal to x plus
90
x.
minus 14 equal to x plus x. 2x equal to 76.
Okay. X is equal to
X is equal to 33.
38. Other angle will be 90 minus 38. How much? Amma? 42. Other angle will be 42.
42.
So can you tell me the equation? 42 or 52? 52 now. It is 52. I'm sorry, 52. Can you tell me the statement? 52 degrees is
52
14
and
more
30.
than
52
38.
degrees.
No, how question is there? Like
52
that only
degrees
should
is
say.
14 more than
38. Like that only. How
50.
question is there? Like that only should say.
52
18 some. The measure of an angle is
okay.
twice the measure of
52
its.
degrees is 14 more than.
Okay, Nana. Right. Very good. Vivek, 18 some. The measure of an angle is twice the measure of its supplement. Vivek.
Sir, 180 minus x is equal to 2x.
Very good. 180 minus x is equal to 2x. This comes here. 180
3x is equal to 180. X is equal to 60.
60. If
60.
one is 60, other one will be 120. So 60. What do you write statement? 120.
120. If 120 is
Twice of 60.
twice of 60.
Twice of 60. Okay. 120 is twice of 60. Next one. Yashasvi 19th one. If complement is equal to its supplement. If complement is equal to supplement of thrice. Yashasvi, would you like to say? What shall I say?
Sir, can I try?
Yeah.
I'll try.
Complement is thrice its supplement.
Sir, 90 minus x is equal to?
Superb, fantastic. 90 minus x is equal to thrice.
180 minus...
Thrice. 3 into...
minus 8. 3 into 180 minus x.
Okay, keep saying now. Very good. Okay, so this comes here, 90 goes there, 3x minus x is equal to 540 minus 90, 2x is equal to 0, 5, 450, x is equal to 225, x is equal to 225. X is equal to 225. What is the angle means? 225. What is the angle, children? 225. So, next one, who will say last one? Twice of it, find the measure of an angle's last. If supplement is 3 times of its complement, supplement is this time supplement. Supplement is 3 times of its complement. That's what. Supplement is 3 times of its complement. Like that you should. Okay, this also you can do. So 180 minus x is equal to 270 minus 3x. This goes there, this goes there. 4x is equal to 270 minus 180 children. 4x is equal to 0. 17 into 8 would be how much children? 9. Okay, so x is equal to 90 by 4 children. 45 by 2, 22.5 children. Okay, so remaining sums children, you try, or else tomorrow we will do children. Tomorrow we will do all of you. Okay, keep copying children, keep copying, and all of you learn Golgi operators also children, and IIT also you children.